Holy moly, now this is what I'm talking about. Acer's very first Lunar Lake AI laptop. What is up guys, Vimal here, back with a new video, and today I have something very exciting to show you all. A brand new Lunar Lake laptop from Acer. This is their new Gen Swift 14 AI laptop, and today in this video we're gonna unbox it and talk about it in detail. Now guys, this is not the first time we're actually checking out Intel's Core Ultra Series 2 powered laptops. We have already done that during the launch itself, and with these brand new Lunar Lake laptops, right, everything has changed guys. The whole design, the architecture design itself has changed. So previously, if you check out the Series 1 CPUs, right, there you used to get like a lot of cores. For example, if you take the Core Ultra 7 Series 1 edition, right, there you used to get almost like 16 cores, 22 threads, right. Now on the newer Gen Series 2 Core Ultra 7, that many cores are not there. In fact, you're only getting around like 8 cores and 8 threads, and also concept of hyper threading has also been removed. So you people might be like curious, like, hey, if the number of cores and hyper threading, all of this is removed, what sort of performance gains we'll get? Well, that is what I'll show you in this video. So with this brand new architecture, right, Intel is actually focusing more on the efficiency side. Plus, you're going to expect a lot improved battery life as well. So we'll be talking about all of that in this video. Not to miss out, you're also getting an upgraded GPU and NPU as well. On board, we are getting Intel's Arc Graphics 130V, and this particular GPU offers almost up to like 1.5 times improved graphic performance. Not to miss out, a brand new Gen NPU as well, Intel AI Boost, that can offer up to like 40 tops guys on our particular variant, and is almost 4 times faster than the previous gen. So if you're a guy who does a lot of software coding, programming, right, or maybe like run a lot of generative AI applications, LLM models, these sort of laptops can be like greatly beneficial for you. Now without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the laptop and check out all of its specs and details. So our brand new Acer Swift 14 AI came in this sort of packaging, and I do have to mention, to contribute to the overall sustainability, Acer has went with a 100% recycled packaging material. Definitely appreciate that. Now going to the side here, you can check out all of the hardware configuration specs and details. This laptop is available in like multiple configurations. Today in the home, our laptop is powered by Intel's Core Ultra 5 226V variant guys, basically Series 2, and has lots of interesting features which we'll anyhow check out once we get started with the video. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with the unboxing. There you go. As soon as you open it, at the top side, we got our brand new Acer Swift 14 AI Lunar Lake laptop. Let me just quickly take it out and show you. Oh wow, now that looks pretty good, right? We'll just come back to the laptop in a moment. Keeping that aside, you also get some accessories, a USB-C 65W rated PD fast charger, and also a mains cord for the adapter. So that's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Let me actually give you a closer look at the laptop, and first of all talk about the design and build quality part. So there you go boys, our very first hands-on and initial impressions at Acer's all-new Swift 14 AI Lunar Lake Edition. And I have to mention, the laptop looks absolutely beautiful guys. I mean, look at that sleek finish and design. Also, if you have a look at the laptop's top lid, you'll find an interesting logo here. Acer calls it as an AI icon, basically indicates that it's a new gen AI PC, unique to Acer only. Talking about the build quality of the laptop is actually pretty good considering it's a thin and light form factor laptop. Entire body is made of metal guys, all metal chassis, and good thing is the laptop is also military standard 810H rated, so very durable and sturdy build quality you're getting on this model. What I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at all the available connectivity ports and talk about that. Starting off from the left profile, you're getting a full size HDMI port, a super speed USB 3.2, Type A port is also available, followed by 2 Type C ports that even support Thunderbolt 4.0. There is nothing on the front profile, and remaining ports are present on the right profile guys, where you're getting a 3.5mm headphone jack, one more USB 3.2 Type A port is available, followed by some LED status indicators for charging and also power. So that's it, these are all the available connectivity ports on this model. Plenty of ports, I would say, would easily get your day-to-day sort of requirements covered. And talking about the thickness, form factor, and also compactness, obviously this is a thin and light laptop, right? It feels very compact and also super portable. You can easily throw it in your backpack and carry it anywhere, not an issue at all. So that's it, our complete overview on the exteriors, and here's how the bottom profile looks like. You're getting plenty of cutouts and vents, basically your air intakes for the cooling system on board, rubber foot pads on all the corners, and you see these 2 tiny grills on the left and right profile. These are your stereo speakers and also powered by DTS-X sound. So that's it, our complete overview on the exteriors. What I'll do is I'll quickly open up the laptop and show you the interiors as well. So as soon as you open the lid of the laptop, first thing you'll notice over here is the laptop comes with a 180-degree complete flat hinge design, guys. So especially if you're using the laptop for some sort of presentations in your office or any sort of briefing sessions, right? For that purpose, it can be very handy. Our particular laptop features a 14 inches WXGA format, basically 1920 by 1200, 16 by 10 aspect ratio, 100% DCI-P3 OLED display, guys. And also look at the bezels. Bezels are quite slim on the sides. At the top and bottom, you do have a little bit of chain. Going to the top side, here you're actually getting a 1440p high resolution webcam and also a privacy manual shutter slide switch included. Definitely appreciate that, Acer. So that's it about the upper half section, and going down to the lower half section, here's how it looks like. Let me first talk about the keyboard and the touchpad area. The laptop features a white LED backlit chiclet keyboard, and quality of the keyboard is very nice. I've been using this laptop for quite some time, guys, almost like 10-12 days, and had a very comfortable experience while typing. Quality of the keys, key caps is also good, and the key travel is also like comfortable. Not to miss out, I've told you, right, you're also getting like white LED backlighting, which is easily adjustable using this function key, just like this. Coming down to the touchpad, you're getting a premium quality large size touchpad that feels quite comfortable while using. Easily recognizes all my inputs and gestures, and as usual, even the integrated buttons quality was nice, felt tactile and clicky. Also, if you're wondering what this artwork on the touchpad is, well, that is a special activity indicator that Acer has introduced on their new gen laptops. Whenever you open any sort of application on your laptop that depends on the NPU, right, you can see nice animations on this activity indicator. Basically, it tells you that your NPU is being used for some sort of work. So moving on, let's also talk about the main aspects of the laptop, talking about the display quality and also the stereo speakers experience. Now, before I say anything about the display quality, first of all, keep in mind that the Swift AI laptop is available in like multiple display configurations. You get up to like 3K resolution OLED panels with up to 90 Hz. So as I've told you, our model features a 14 inches WXGA resolution, basically 1920 by 1200, 60 Hz, 100% DCI-P3 OLED display on board. And I'm telling you, right, I've watched variety of content on this panel, not just like simple YouTube videos, a couple of movies and also web series on OTT platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, and I was like quite impressed with the display over here, guys. You're getting beautiful colors and also good amount of detail. Obviously, WXGA resolution at 14 inches gives you like razor sharp detail, guys. Contrast ratio and black levels are also excellent. Obviously, you're gonna get like true black levels because it's an OLED display, right? Colors are also very good, guys. The color accuracy, color reproduction, everything was on point, and everything just pops on the display because obviously it's an OLED panel, and on top of that supports up to like 100% DCI-P3 color gamut range, right? So no matter what sort of content you're watching, not just entertainment purpose, even if you want to use this laptop maybe for like creative or productive applications like photo editing, color grading, or video editing as well, right, you're gonna be quite happy with the results. Only thing if I had to mention, right, display is a bit glossy, and because of that it attracts a bit of unwanted glares and reflections. Now talking about the brightness of the display is also like really good. The panel can go almost up to like 380-400 nits as well, so I had no issues checking out the display even in like brightly lit areas. And overall viewing angles are also nice. I'm telling you, right, for the price that you're paying, you'll be like very impressed with the overall display quality on the Swift AI new gen. Keeping that aside and talking about the sound, on board you're getting stereo speakers powered by DTS-X, and audio quality of the speakers is also nice. They're producing good clarity, all the dialogues are like crisp and clear, easily audible, and overall performance is also nice. So great for entertainment or media consumption. Alright, I know you people have been waiting for this part. How's the overall performance of this brand new Intel Core Ultra 5 Series 2 CPU? But before that, let me first tell you about the hardware configuration and specs. This laptop is available in like multiple CPU configurations, so obviously you're gonna get some different models available. Today in the home we have the Core Ultra 5 Series 2 edition. To be precise, right, this is powered by Intel's Core Ultra 5 226V CPU, guys. Basically features like 8 cores, 8 threads at a max turbo clock of up to 4.5 GHz. So basically you're getting 4 P cores and 4 LPE cores. There are no E cores this time, regular, only LPE cores are there. And also, as I've told you at the beginning, hyper threading has been completely removed, guys. So that concept is not there in this series 2. And pair that with an integrated Intel Arc Graphics 130V that can offer up to 53 TOPS and is almost like 1.5 times faster than the previous gen. And And not to miss out, you're also getting a brand new and upgraded NPU as well, Intel AI Boost, which can offer up to 40 tops. If you actually go for the higher variant like Intel Core Ultra 7, right, there you're gonna get slightly better GPU and also faster NPU as well. So totally depends on the model and the variant. And especially if you're like a student, or maybe you're from AI background in your work, right, and you run a lot of AI models, generative AI related applications, or maybe LLMs on your device, that NPU can definitely come in handy for you people. Apart from that, Windows has also introduced a lot of new AI features specifically for the Copilot Plus PCs, like for example live captions, co-creator option, and not to miss out, studio effects as well. Copilot Plus PCs are like a new range of Windows PCs introduced recently in the market that are specifically designed for AI related workloads and applications. So before we directly check out the benchmarks, first of all let me tell you what exactly is new on the Series 2 CPUs. As I've told you, brand new Lunar Lake architecture, and with this architecture, right, motherboard size has been greatly reduced by almost 27%. So this leads to an increased overall cooling efficiency in the laptop. And not only that, this also shortens the distance between CPU and memory. That means the RAM is directly integrated on the CPU only, guys. So what happens is this greatly increases the bandwidth and reduces the latency as well. Only downside is you won't be able to upgrade the RAM later, guys. So it is soldered on board. So make sure you choose the right variant depending on the requirement, either 16GB or 32GB while buying only. So I've been using the laptop for the last couple of days for my day-to-day related works, office related stuff, like photo editing, text editing. I've also ran like a dozen Chrome tabs in the background and nothing seemed to slow it down. Overall performance has been great for my day-to-day usage. Again, I'm telling you, this is not a dedicated gaming laptop, so don't expect you'd be able to play like AAA title games with maximum graphics with triple-digit FPS. No, this is not made for that purpose. But still, who's gonna stop us from playing games? I mean, yes, casual gaming you'd like to do, right? So that is what we'll be testing out right now. For that sake, we will be playing some of the popular AAA title games in the market right now, and that too starting off with our all-time favorite GTA 5. We will be playing this game at 1080p resolution and all the graphics set to normal preset. And there you go, boys. Just sit back, relax, and hope you enjoy the gameplay. Oh, are you people looking at that frame rate? Not bad, right? I mean, look at that triple-digit FPS on an average. So at 1080p normal graphics preset, we were easily getting around like 110 to 115 FPS on this laptop. I mean, are you kidding me? There is no dedicated GPU over here. I can definitely see a good improvement in the graphic performance. As far as I remember, right, when I played GTA 5 with the same 1080p resolution normal graphics preset, I was roughly getting around like 75 to 80 FPS on the Core Ultra Series 1 CPUs. Now you're getting around like 110 to 115 FPS. That is definitely big gains, I would say. The onboard NPU Intel AI Boost enables some brand new user experiences using Windows Studio effects and also offers some exclusive features across creator apps. You can access all these AI related features directly from AI Zone section in Acer Sense app, which you can directly open using the shortcut on the keyboard. Simply head over to this section and you'll find plenty of features like Acer Live Art, Alter View is also there, GIMP Stable Diffusion is also there, and much more. Acer Live Art is an on-the-go photo editing tool. Using AI, you can remove background in an image, or maybe like copy paste the subjects, or even create stickers on the go, guys. And coming to Alter View, this is mainly used to create like some 3D dynamic live wallpapers from your regular 2D pictures and images. Similar to that, you also have something called as Acer Vision Art, which is basically like an AI wallpaper generator. Enabling this auto apply some beautiful AI generated wallpapers like landscapes, suburbs, skyscrapers, or even pets. You can even adjust the time interval for when you want the scene to change. One more main highlight is it comes with a brand new Acer user sensing feature. Once enabled, the laptop intelligently detects your presence, seamlessly logging you into the laptop as and how you approach the device. No need to type any pin, no need to even touch the laptop. It does everything smartly. Plus, securely locks the device as well when you step away from the laptop. This feature has made my usage experience quite convenient in the last couple of days. And not only that, you're also getting Acer's Purified View and Purified Voice features, which is great for business and office works wherever you use a lot of meetings and conference calls, right? By simply enabling it, Purified View offers some smart video effects like auto framing, intelligent eye contact, and also background blur, all using Intel's AI Boost NPU without slowing down the actual main CPU usage. And similarly, Purified Voice also offers AI based noise reduction to deliver better voice clarity at the other end, especially whenever you're doing like online meetings with your clients. And last but not the least, let me also add a point on networking and connectivity. productivity. The laptop comes with next-gen killer Wi-Fi 7 on board that offers nearly 2.4 times faster performance and also much lower latency, guys, compared to the previous gen Wi-Fi 6E laptops. Definitely a big upgrade, I would say. And we are almost coming to an end, so before that let me also tell you about the battery life. The new Gen Swift 14 AI comes with a 65 watt 3 cell lithium ion battery and on a moderate sort of usage with the brightness set to around like 45 to 50%, doing day-to-day related office related works and a bit of photo editing, text editing, slight media consumption, watching videos on YouTube, right? You can easily expect around like 12 to 13 hours of battery life on a full charge, guys. Again, if you're like a heavy user, you're doing a bit of productivity, creative tasks like video editing or maybe gaming, right? Obviously battery life will come down. Well, that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up. This is what I wanted to share with you all in the video. My detailed review on Acer's all new Gen Swift 14 AI Lunar Lake Edition laptop. If you people got all the information you're looking for, make sure to smash that like button. And talking about the pricing details, I've told you, right, it's available in multiple configuration and CPU variants. The starting price for our Core Ultra 5 edition costs around like 89,999 rupees. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.